What an absolute fucking idiot. He's gone, full back end's gone. Now, you felt the wheel spin there. Wouldn't have been able to do that on summer tyres, I'd have been beached. Right, test. Little brake turn in here. If I was on summer tyres, I'd struggle to pull away from here. I certainly wouldn't make the turn. I would simply flounder and probably spin off somewhere. Now I'm going to make this turn controlled and go up the hill because of the winter tyres. Let's give it a whirl. Nice controlled pull away, indicating it looks a bit treacherous on the turning. Nice and controlled in. Very slippery conditions. A nice smooth drive up the slope. Now this looks like an interesting turning. Very snowy. Try this one. Can't even see the curb. And we're up. Oh, come on, mate. And pulled away again. I think the compacted snow is probably worse for wheel spin. Try this one. We'll try this one, shall we? No one has been down here or up here yet in a car. It's all footprints, completely untouched. Here we go again. And there's the old trick, oldest trick in the book, rock the steering wheel. Gives the zigzag pattern, pulls you away. Just don't over rev it. How about this one? interesting. Again, it doesn't appear any vehicles have been down here. Is going to be fun. There it is. The old wheel rocking trick. Of course, you'd be well and truly stuffed on some of the tyres regardless, but